Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's class, we will continue with this exercise 18.2. Okay, this exercise is based on complementary relations. Up to question number 11, we have completed in the previous class. Now let's check question number 12. Question number 12 is without using trigonometrical tables, evaluate number 1 to tan 35 degree cot 55 degree whole square plus cot 55 tan 35 minus 3 sec 40 cos sec 50. So tan and cot they have complementary relation. This cot and tan they have complementary relation. Sec and cosec they have complementary relation. So convert it and then solve it. Okay, so 2. This is bigger angle, so I'll convert this. Numerator I'll keep as it is. Tan 35 degree. Complement of cot is tan. And complement of 55 is 90 minus 90 degree minus 55. It will be 35 degree. 35 degree. Whole square is there. Plus this numerator is bigger, this 55 is bigger than 35, so I'll convert this. Cot complement of cot is tan, 55 is complement of 55 is 35 degree divided by tan 35. I'll keep as it is. Okay, minus this 3. This is bigger, so I'll convert denominator. Okay, sec 40 remains as it is. Complement of cosec is sec, and 50 degree is 90 degree minus 50 degree. It will be 40 degree. Now you can do the cancellation. This and this gets cancelled one time. This and this also gets cancelled one time. This and this also gets cancelled one time. So 2 into 1. 1 square is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 minus 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 3. It will be 0. So your answer is 0. Okay. Now next question number 2. Okay, now next question number 12, number 2. Sin 35 cos 55. This and this sin and cos they have complementary relation. So let's convert this one. Okay, let's convert this since this is a smaller angle. Okay, I told you to convert bigger angle, isn't it? So let's convert this. Let's convert this. This let's keep it as it is. Okay, from here cos and sin again they have complementary relation. So I'll convert this bigger angle, this one. Okay, and here cosec square 10 degree. Let's convert this bigger angle. Let's convert this part. Here you will get cosec square 10 minus complement of tan is cot square 10 degree. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Here you will get sin square 35 degree plus here you will get cos square 35 degree. So in numerator also 1, in denominator also you will get 1. So 1 divided by 1 is 1. Okay. So sin 35 degree remains as it is into complement of cos is sin. 55 is 35. 90 minus 55 is 35. Okay, plus cos this 35 remains as it is into complement of sin is cos. Complement of 55 is 90 minus 55. That is 35. Divided by this will remain as it is. Cosec square 10 degree minus complement of tan is cot square is as it is. Complement of 80 is 90 minus 80. You have to subtract from 90. So 10 degree. So it will be sin 35 into sin 35 will be sin square 35 degree plus cos 35 into cos 35 will be cos square 35 degree divided by here cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Theta is 10 degree in denominator. Okay, this is theta 10 degree and 10 degree. These two angles are same. So instead of that you can write 1 because of the square relation. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Okay, so sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 divided by 1. Answer is 1. So because cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. This formula I have already given in first or second video. Okay, so you see that video properly. Next is this is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So numerator because of this formula it is 1 and denominator this one because of this formula it is 1. Okay, so in this way you have to use you have to solve. Let's move on to another question. Okay, next question is question number 13. Prove that, okay, number 1, cos theta divided by sin 90 degree minus theta plus sin theta divided by cos 90 degree theta is equals to 2. You have to prove. So from left hand side, LHS, this part is up to here is before equals to sine, it is left hand side, and after equals to sine, it is right hand side. Okay, from left hand side, you have cos theta divided by sin 90 degree minus theta. Sin 90 degree minus theta, you can write cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos 90 degree minus theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta, you can write sin theta, complementary relation. Okay, sin theta. Okay, cos theta and cos theta gets cancelled one time, plus sin theta and sin theta also gets cancelled one time. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Proved RHS. This is proved. Okay.